give you POM routine, remember?
Yes.
So first prepare,
Prepare.
put the car on driving mode,
Yes, I did.
release the parking brake, which you
Yes.
did. Now your 6-point check.
Yeah.
Before you signal.
Yeah.
This is how you turn your wheel back, yeah?
Leave me alone.
That's right. Okay, now continue. Trust me, I got a video. I'll send you the link. You'll
Yeah.
watch the video. Same time you'll practice with the dinner plate. Will be fixed.
Okay.
Okay?
Where am I going?
So I use the brake again just to remind you where is your indicator.
Yes.
Okay. Now Anisha, I'd like you to move on when you're ready.
Question: do I
Yeah.
take it off the parking first before
Now
I do
always
the
change the
6-point?
gear. Always change the gear first.
No, that's park. Wait, how do I take
From the
it
top to down.
from top to down?
Yeah.
Yes.
And now release the parking brake.
Yes.
Yeah. Now you do your 6-point check.
Okay, so I turn and look here, and then I look to the front and this one. Then I signal.
And then one more time. Good.
Yes. Oh my freaking god, this is fast. Sorry. I need to adjust my seat a bit more.
For example, as you stop to adjust your seat,
Yeah.
quickly you should check your right blind spot one more time before you move off.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now Anissa, I'd like you to pull up on the left somewhere safe and convenient, please.
Okay.
So what routine you will follow? Do you want me to talk you through for the first time?
Yes, please.
So it's MSPSL. So you check your interior mirror, left door mirror,
Yes.
then signal left. Then now start taking the position,
Mhm.
covering the brake to slow down gently. Yeah, now looking for the safe, convenience. Yeah,
This is fine. Yeah.
this is fine. Yeah, don't move your hand until you stop. Yeah, stop fully.
Yeah.
Now secure the car. So put the car on parking mode.
Yeah.
Set the parking brake, then cancel the signal. Yeah, so this, yeah, you will be cancelled.
Yeah.
So this is routine. If you follow this, you won't get any fault.
Okay.
Now again I say, when you're ready, drive on please. For the driving on, moving off, what routine you will follow? So I give you POM routine, remember?
Yes.
So first prepare,
prepare.
put the car on driving mode,
Yes, I did.
release the parking brake, which you
Yes.
did. Now your 6-point check.
Yeah. And then I
Then signal. Okay, there is one car coming. If it's
Yes.
only one or two car overtaking,
Yeah.
better not to signal and confuse them. Wait
Okay.
for them to overtake you, then
And
you
then-
signal and quickly check your
Okay.
right blind spot. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna see your driving, how you drive. Okay,
Okay.
now at the end of the road, turn left. This you can say kind of your assessment, because you came from a different instructor.
Mhm.
Okay, so I'll see how you drive.
Oh, that's why I struggle with the whole junction thing.
Don't worry. Yeah, now take the next road on the left.
On
I
the
got it.
left.
Yeah, on the left.
Wait, there's no. Yes,
I use the brake here. Okay, I use the brake.
there is. Yes.
Fix the steering.
Yes.
Okay, so just a quick question. So before,
Yeah.
when I say take the next road on the left, before you signal, what you should do?
I should have checked the mirror.
Did you check the mirror?
I did not at
No.
all.
Okay, thank you. Okay, and why was actually struggling to complete the turn? What do you think?
I don't know. I think I'm still very
Your
new
speed.
to this car.
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's give few minutes, then we'll get used to.
yeah.
But again, remember, when you're turning, you need to keep the car in
Slow
control.
down.
Now at the end of the road, turn left.
Yes. Okay.
Again, did you check the mirror?
No, I did not.
Good.
Wow. don't realize how much you need to check the mirror, don't you?
Yes.
Okay.
And that's why I said I give you 4 letter, remember?
Yes.
If you remember this 4 letter, then you remember to see. Check the mirror before you signal.
Yeah.
This is how you turn your wheel back, yeah?
Leave me alone.
That's right. Okay, now continue. Trust me, I got a video. I'll send you the link. You'll
Yeah.
watch the video. Same time you'll practice with the dinner plate. Will be fixed.
Okay.
Okay. Now take the next road on the left, please. At the beginning of the lesson, where I show you the steering wheel hold.
Oh my gosh, I
Yeah.
didn't check the mirror again, by the way.
See, this time your feet was on the brake. Was a nice control, but obviously the steering wheel, the way taking
Yeah.
it back is not the right way. Okay.
Even he used to get onto me. I don't know why I do it like
Yeah.
that.
Okay, now I like you to pull up on the left somewhere safe and convenient, please.
Okay.
Yeah, this time good mirror check. You check earlier, then again after the signal I saw you check again.
Not really convenient though. Yeah.
Okay. So next time, remember, we don't have to be. We are no experienced driver. We just learner, isn't it? So we don't have to go and hit the curb. So what you can do, we can be more away from the curb next
Okay.
time. Look on this mirror. Can you see how close you are with the curb?
Yeah.
So remember, use this reference. Also, if you're looking here, your center of the car almost on the curb, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not straight.
It's not straight. So
Yeah.
if you stay a little bit right,
Yeah.
you should be away from the curb. Okay. Now, when you're ready, drive on, please.
Where am I going?
So I use the brake again just to remind you where is your indicator.
Yes.
Okay. For any reason you're nervous, look, before you move off, you already know a lot of things.
Yeah.
Turn left, please.
We're turning
Yeah.
left.
Yeah. Now put the left hand over there. Yeah. Okay. And gently cover the brake. I'm gonna show you these times. Okay. No, left hand is there.
Okay.
With the left hand, pull the steering wheel down.
Okay.
Right hand slide down, opposite way. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And keep holding. Now fix it. So this time, the left hand you should push up the steering wheel.
Okay.
Then you're not gonna do it the way you're trying to do. Now take the next road on the left, please.
Okay.
Mirror check first.
Oh yeah. That's the thing, the whole mirror thing.
You tell me, if you don't check the mirror and if there is a cyclist or pedestrian, how do you know?
Yeah. I didn't do that right. Do you know I have a habit of holding it there? That's why I realized.
But you can't do with me because I'm gonna keep saying this.
Yes,
You'll be
please
annoyed.
do.
Oh, he keeps saying because you need to fix this. Do you
Yeah.
understand? I'll keep reminding you. I'll keep prompting you.
Yes, please.
Okay. Now at the end of the road, turn left.
Okay.
Mirror check first. Interior, left door mirror, then signal.
Yes.
I know you were signaling almost
Yeah.
without checking. Much better. If you just push with the left hand, will be proper. Okay.
Okay.
Take the next road on the right, please. Good mirror check. See? So with me, you have to fix it because I'm gonna keep saying. Left hand, pull it down.
I think we just need to do that. Yeah, I don't know what's going
This
on.
is
with
this
me
is
and
different
the
way
whole
I'm gonna teach
steering.
you. Okay. Now Continue and find a place where you can pull up. Okay, so I'd like you to pull up on the left somewhere safe and convenient, so no rush.
We could pull up there.
No. Okay.
We can't
Stay
pull up
right.
there.
No, stay right.
Because it's too close
Yeah,
to the
stay
junction.
right.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me show you how you need to make the plan. Continue. We don't gonna pull up there. Okay.
Yeah, because it's
continue.
too close to the
Yeah.
junction, isn't it? We could.
No here.
Okay.
Again, look the road marking on the floor, isn't it? That means there is another junction. So you don't indicate there as well. If you indicate left, people will think you are turning left.
Yes.
Now from here we're gonna make the plan. Now check
Okay.
interior mirror, left over mirror, signal left. Now can you see the tree? Our target is next to the tree. Okay. Stay right, yeah. And gently stop. So when I say stay right, you did bit too much.
Okay.
Okay, we are bit away, so next to the lamppost. Keep the signal down. Yeah, stop here. If you go more, then
Yeah,
you'll block the
block the
drive.
yeah.
Okay, so you already know you cannot pull up next to the junctions because it's not safe.
Yeah.
Okay, you cannot pull up in front of the driveway. You cannot pull up on the drop curb.
Yes.
You don't just signal and just quickly. First plan where you're gonna pull up. Over there it was a very short distance for you, isn't it?
Yes.